is up, you guys? It's your girl Christine and welcome back to my bathroom. Today we're going to be doing a DIY peel-off mask, and I felt that what better room to do a DIY peel-off mask than to where you do most of your face masks? Your bathroom. So today we're going to be doing a DIY face mask that I found off of Pinterest. This recipe is supposed to be really amazing for killing all the bacteria on your skin and just digging down deep into those pores and just making them look flawless. So I thought, why not? I have all these ingredients at home. If you guys have these ingredients at home, why not do it too? Use this recipe to do it. And before we get into the ingredients, I do want to say before you even start prepping the ingredients to make sure that your face is already clean and washed, no makeup, no nothing. And I do recommend to pull it back because I have heard that this kind of peel off mask does peel any hair from your skin. So make sure you pull your hair back. And here's the ingredients. So here is all the ingredients we need. This is 2 tablespoons of warm milk, 1 gelatin packet that is unflavored. If you're not doing it in packets, you need 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, and then a half a tablespoon of all natural raw organic honey. And then we have some melaleuca oil, aka tea tree oil. Make sure that this is food grade if it is going on your skin, because if it's not food grade, then who knows what's gonna happen to your skin if you use that. And some people don't really like the smell of tea tree oil by itself, so I recommend adding a supplement like rose oil. Rose smells really good and it also has really good benefits for your skin, but the tea tree oil is pretty much the most important oil because this is the one that's going to be clearing out your bacteria and helping with those pores. And you only need about 4 to 6 drops of this. So let's mix this all together. Here we go, putting this on my face. Alright, and I still have like plenty left. This is what the face mask looks like, and the recipe said to wait 30 minutes for it to dry. So see you in 30 minutes. Well, you guys, it has been 30 minutes and this is a stiff mask. So hopefully that means it's gonna work very well. It's so stiff. So we're just gonna, oh, this is a peel off mask. Oh, yo, that did some damage though. Get the rest of this off. Oh. You guys, where there was hair on my face, there is no more hair. What have I done? Son of a duck. This is nuts. I'm like being so very careful around my eyebrow now. I'm honestly afraid to lose my eyebrow. That was honestly gnarly to get off because it literally took all the fine baby hairs I had on my face and it just took them off. But I honestly, my skin feels so freaking soft, and any kind of acne I have that's coming up is definitely a lot less red than when I put on the face mask. At least I think so. But definitely freaking cleaned into my skin like nobody's business. And I literally do have some pieces that came off in huge chunks that I will show you guys a close-up of, that you can literally see all the fine baby hairs and gunk that this face mask took out of my skin. So overall, A1 face mask. Totally recommend it if you guys have these ingredients at home. Do it. Treat yourself, treat your skin. This is the time. This is the time. Well, that is all I have for today, guys. I just hope you guys enjoyed all the faces I made while I was pulling off that mask. That was gnarly. It was brutal. But it worked. Do it at home. Up to you guys. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. And yeah.